A critical new threat has just emerged. CVE-2025-66478. It's a severe remote code execution vulnerability causing widespread alarm across the industry. For red teams and security researchers, validating a fresh zero-day like this is usually a frantic race against time. You are typically scouring GitHub for unverified PoCs, debugging broken scripts, and manually tailoring complex payloads to fit your specific target environment. It is slow, tedious, and error-prone. This is where Penligent changes the game. Watch this. We don't need to write a single line of code. We simply give our AI agent the target scope and supply the new CVE identifier. Penligent's agentic reasoning immediately kicks in. It identifies the target's tech stack, instantly retrieves the correct exploit methodology from its real-time database, and automatically configures the payload. It requests human authorization for the critical step, and with just one click, boom, the exploit is executed perfectly. We have a confirmed shell. From vulnerability disclosure to validated proof of concept in seconds, not hours. This is the speed of human-in-the-loop AI. This is Penligent.